Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A53, and today I will show you how you can format your SD card. So to get started, let's open up Settings. From here you want to scroll down to Battery and Device Care. Select Storage. And you want to swipe to the second page because the first one is internal storage, which is the storage of the phone itself. So swipe to the side and you will find your SD card. Now from here, click on the three dots and select Format. This gives you a quick little message that formatting SD card will erase everything. So do you want to progress? Obviously, if there's anything on your card that you would like to keep, to make a copy of it. Otherwise it will be lost and there is no way to gain back the data. So I'm gonna select Format. This should only take a couple seconds to finish up and should be right about done. There we go. So there we go, that's all it takes. You can close this and the process is finished. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.